Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Emma. Emma was kind and caring, but she had a habit of bending the truth. She would often tell half-truths or exaggerate the truth to make herself look better or to avoid getting into trouble. One day, Emma's friend asked her to cover for her at school. Her friend had forgotten to do her homework, and she didn't want to get into trouble with the teacher. Emma hesitated but agreed to help her friend out. The next day, when the teacher asked Emma's friend about her homework, Emma spoke up and said that her friend had completed it. The teacher looked at Emma skeptically, but Emma stuck to her story. As the day went on, Emma began to feel guilty about lying to her teacher. She knew that what she had done was wrong and that it went against her values of honesty and integrity. Finally, Emma decided to tell the truth. She went to her teacher and confessed that she had lied about her friend's homework. The teacher was disappointed but appreciated Emma's honesty. Emma's friend received a lower grade for not completing her homework, but Emma felt a sense of relief for telling the truth. From that day on, Emma made a conscious effort to always tell the truth, no matter how difficult it may be. She learned that telling the truth is not always easy, but it is the right thing to do. As Emma grew up, she became known for her honesty and integrity. People trusted her and respected her for always telling the truth, even when it was hard. She realized that truth was a powerful tool that could build trust and strengthen relationships. In the end, Emma understood that truth was a fundamental value that should guide one's actions and decisions. She knew that honesty and integrity were essential qualities that would help her succeed in life and make a positive impact on the world around her. A must-watch from Dare to Do. Please leave a comment and tell me what you think. Thank you so much for watching and stay blessed.